What's up, guys? Today we are exploring the wilderness of southern Ohio, and we are hunting for rabbit and coyote. Both are in season right now. Haven't really seen any trace or track of anything yet, so we're heading down to the valley to see if we can flush out some stuff in some higher grass. But regardless, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. It's freezing. But as you can see, I'm just in completely the colors of the landscape that's around me, and hopefully we can get onto something. This here was most likely deer, which I'm not after today, but it's still pretty cool to see all this movement and scuffling. I don't know if maybe they were running from something or in a little tussle. There's a lot of disturbance over here. I see the sun, it's breaking up over the ridge over there, casting such a beautiful golden light right now on just everything. The Virginia pines up on the ridge up there. Huge disturbance here. I mean, this could have just been a lay down, a bed down for the night. Don't really know. But it's like all through this ridge. The sun's finally peeking up over the horizon over there. Absolutely gorgeous. Even if we don't see anything today, just being out here in this environment is everything I could ask for. We're making our way down ever so carefully. See the ravine down there. Still seeing a lot of deer tracks, but nothing else. This time of year, everything is extremely hungry, and everything's going to be concentrated in high brushy areas. So these open woodlands are not the most ideal place to be right now. So we're making our way down. Absolutely magical morning. We really are so blessed to live on such a beautiful earth that the divine has blessed us with. We are blessed beyond measure, is all I can say. The spiritual place that I'm just at right now, amidst of all this, and it's crazy because I literally haven't slept for the last almost like 18 hours because I was out working. But it didn't matter. Just being out here just invigorates my entire soul. The only thing better would be a nice, beautiful couple rabbits. We got all day to do it, so let's get at it. Just want to take a moment though to just see this, embrace this. We're just gonna keep recording. I hope you guys love this new style. Like I've been more into the cinematic still videos you've seen on my channel, but I think the
vlogging style, just gives a more immersive experience, if that makes sense. I hope this makes you feel like that you're here. And I hope this inspires you to take your own place. Take your own spiritual refuge. Get out to the land where you belong, where you're meant to be. Spirit placed us here to enjoy all of this. And we've created such a false world that separated us from it. But we're blessed to still have some places that are intact. So get out, immerse yourself in them. This looks a lot better. We got a wind coming on, facing directly towards the camera, like blowing towards the camera right now. So we're gonna go up this little valley. There's some dark-eyed juncos and some field sparrows over there, and that tuft of grass. And look at this stream. Look at this stream. Beautiful sandstone sediments here. Crystal clear water. Hopefully not too sneaky. There's a raccoon print right there. We're gonna move up this. Hopefully we can find a rabbit. Alright, so we got some tracks here, and I don't think these are deer. Maybe they are. Maybe these are deer. I was hoping for coyote, but there's a lot of deer tracks through here. There's some over here. They're going this way, so we're gonna go this way. If anyone has any advice on hunting coyote, like stock hunting, like I'm all about the traditional, like literally complete traditional recurve here. But so I know it's going to take a lot longer and a lot harder to see results. This is my first year seriously hunting, but I'll take any tips I can get for stalking and locating coyote or rabbit. Now that is definite coyote. Standing up on this log probably last night, because they're more nocturnal. Wonder where they go in the day though. Oh, look at that oak. White oak. I love seeing the sun just break up over the ridges like that. I'm still in the space of just amazement. Look at these Virginia pines. Something about those I've always felt such a connection to. Along we go. Let's do a little something that I call stump shooting. Get some practice in. Beautiful. That was from a good distance too. Pretty consistent. Look at that. Look at the size of this oak. Whoa. It's like 3.5 feet across. Absolutely huge. Gorgeous. Gorgeous oak. This looks so good for snappers in the summer. Bunch of like beaver ponds and wetlands, and the visibility is pretty good. And as you can see, it's pretty expansive. So I'd love to come back here in the spring and wait around for snappers.